Foxworthy's got a skit about
fishing?
Yeah, about ice fishing. Being the fish that's thrown back has got to be the closest thing to an out-of-body experience there is.
Oh yeah. He's like, what the?
I was just swimming along and all of a sudden I felt myself being drawn toward the light. And I got there and God was wearing a Budweiser.
Oh, I think I heard this one, yeah.
I looked around and all my dead relatives were laying all around me. He held me and said, "It's not yet your time, go back."
That's so funny. So we just wrapped up our last day guiding at the Norfolk Southern Fish Camp in Palatka. You know, it was a really good season this year. Had a lot of guide trips, not only here, but other lodges along the river as well. Got to visit tons of customers in Florida for DuraEdge. Got to catch a lot of big bass too. Fished a couple tournaments, obviously, and did pretty well. I'm really looking forward to getting back to my wife. Going to start the new chapter here of the year, getting back in Pennsylvania, at least being based out of there, because obviously we're going to be traveling a lot more this year. But it's exciting. I'm ready to be back home, ready to catch some smallmouth. Wow. Yeah.
Nice, man.
That's a really nice one. Are you sure you haven't done this before?
I mean, I fished, but...
We gotta get a picture of that sucker. Yeah, that's perfect. That was awesome.
1-0.
1-0.
I looked over, I thought you were snagged.
I thought I was too, because I didn't actually
And you're like,
feel
it's
him
moving.
bite.
No, it's such a subtle, like he'll just pick it up and he'll just sit there because it's so cold, he doesn't want to move much.
Yeah.
So you just be like, pressure, it'll feel like mushy. You're like, huh? Like that's all. Have you spent much time like at Presque at all?
We came up here a couple times with the kids and we'll, you know, do the paths and everything, and those canoes that are back in there you can rent.
Yep.
We've done that a couple
Go through the lagoons.
Yeah.
That's pretty fun.
That is pretty good.
It's a little gem here in Erie, PA.
It really is.
Here we go. Oh yeah. Oh, look at how fat that one is. He's like a beach ball. That's not his beach body. Toss him, we'll get this one.
Toss him away from those guys.
Throw it over there.
Nobody's actually fishing, they're just watching everybody else to see who gets a fish.
Like, Thor, she blows. It's a good one.
Just come up here and we'll get you off.
We want to move on with our lives. Oh, you foul hooked him. They were just hooked in his fin.
Nice.
Andrew baked cookies. Why didn't I get any cookies? Did you guys get cookies? I never got them. Oh, nice.
Got the little jump and everything.
Gosh, it's been too long since you guys caught one.
It's been 5 minutes.
I know. Just being dramatic. Some perks to working for the Pirates. Getting to say org and stuff like that too. Scallywag. Ooh, gosh. That's nice. Oh, man. Guys, stop being so good at catching smallmouth.
Just gonna park it right here.
Yeah, this looks like a good spot. A little bit higher. There you go. Look. Oh, dude, that's a nice one.
Nice.
We might have to celebrate with a cookie.
Deal.
You want a picture or no?
Yeah.
Okay. You're like, all right, fine. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. No, like I kicked him over there, and that's what made me think of it.
Thank you.
Andy's cookies are the best. After coming back home for a little bit and getting to do some guiding up on Presque, it was time to hit the road to go to the next Bassmaster Open at Lake Chickamauga. After we visited Lake Chickamauga a couple years back in the Southern Open in April, it quickly became one of my favorite lakes in the country, and there's reason for that. It's full of giant bass. And fortunately for me, I was able to find one area that's produced for me in that other tournament that also gave up quite a few good fish for me in this tournament. Practice was honestly very challenging throughout. It was getting really hot. They stopped pulling much water towards the end of practice, and conditions were changing. I spent probably most of my time fishing shallow, although Chickamauga is known as a ledge lake. There was still a good bit of fish shallow, obviously, because we've had a late spring, late summer this year. So I knew that would play a factor in all of that. So I was excited to really get that tournament going, but I knew it was going to be a grind.
Destin DeMarion from Grove City, Pennsylvania. 10-12 on day number 1. Destin caught him up a little bit better today. You figured him out.
Yeah, you know, I'm just going to hurt me with that calling error yesterday, but had a really fun day and made up for it. Had a great co-angler. Had a really good time fishing with Don. It was a great experience, and really love Lake Chickamauga.
1914 going to be sitting in 10th place. 10th place right now.
Even though Lake Chickamauga is one of the best bass fishers in the country, it proved it could be stingy this week at the Open. We really had a tough first day, but was able to bounce back the second day and get inside the top 10 in the points for the season. Can't wait for the James River. Thank you. I'm Destin.
Terrell.
Terrell, nice to meet you.
Where were you last tournament at?
Chickamauga. I was just in Chickamauga. Did pretty well. Over in Tennessee.
How's it going, fish?
How's it going? Let's go. I'm staying over at my buddy's house. He's got a private lake.
Next thing will fit in a private lake.
Nice to meet you, man.
Too. Need some help?
No, I think we're good. I think I got everything now. Thank you. I'm Destin.
Hey.
Peyton, nice to meet you.
Raylan.
Raylan, nice to meet you.
Will.
Will, I'm Destin.
Dan.
Ben, nice to meet you. I'm Destin.
Blake.
Blake, nice to meet you.
Charles. You fish Lake Martin, didn't you?
I fished it once. I took Auburn guys out fishing.
Tough.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
Yeah. It's tough. The water is damn clear.
Yep. There's some good spots in there. It's
Yeah.
a nice spot of bass.
Yeah.
When we were there, it was like flooded. There was like big old trees and stuff floating down the channel.
Did you take them last year?
January.
That's right.
Yeah. I was just coming down, heading south, and I stopped there because that's where a boat dealer.
Zach and John?
Yeah.
Yeah. I went
You know John?
I went to school there. Yeah. I went to school at Auburn.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
So you knew those guys?
Yeah, I know Zach and John.
Did you do much fishing growing up?
I used to.
Did you?
I don't have time anymore.
Did you grow up right around here?
About 2 hours west of here, over close to the river, Mississippi River.
Gotcha.
So I was in the Delta.
Oh man, Delta's awesome. How's it going, man? Be coming right up. Field looks great.
Yes, man. Yeah, we're just starting our transition now.
Oh, he's gonna go back to, oh, cool.
Yeah.
And you said you guys got to change for soccer?
Yeah.
Good gosh. Did you grow up around Memphis?
No, I'm from Missouri originally, actually.
Oh, okay.
So,
Well, not too
yeah.
terribly far then.
No, yeah. So, I mean, it's kind of nice. I grew up a Cardinals fan. You know,
That's cool.
Like, most of my extended family's from St. Louis, so, like, anytime we'd go visit family, like, during the summer, we'd go to a game.
Really enjoyed meeting everyone from the Mississippi State and the Memphis Grounds Crew. But after a long time away, really excited to get home.